What's up, fellas? Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you watch this video, it's because you want to make money online. And then if you want to make money online, it's because you want to help your wife and family to have a very good quality of life, which is something very, very, very awesome. And you should keep up, buddy. Okay, fellas, let's speak a little bit about the best way to make money online. As I told you guys before, the best way to make money online, it is for you to give more value to the marketplace, to promote more, because if you promote more, the chances of you making money, they're gonna increase, they're gonna increase exponentially. That's why you have to promote every single day. You promote today, you promote tomorrow, you promote after tomorrow. Because if you promote all the time, then your channel, whether it is Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube, is gonna, how can I say, push your content to everybody so that they can see it and give you the opportunity to make more money. Later we're gonna speak about the algorithm, okay? Algorithm, YouTube algorithm, TikTok algorithm, all this kind of stuff, okay? Yeah. Now, when you promote, one of the best way for you to make money, is for you to create a channel. You gotta create a channel. Whether it is a TikTok channel or YouTube channel, or Facebook channel, your choice of a channel. Now, when you create a channel, and one of the best ways for you to do it, create a channel that, how can I say, you can speak about the things that you want to speak, okay? Whether you're good at comic books, whether you're good at fixing cars, whether you like a particular show, or you like wrestling, you speak about wrestling, or you like anything else, or whether you're good at making money, you can teach people how to make money, or whether you're good at teaching people how to catch women, how to approach a woman, what to say and what not to say, all this kind of stuff. It can actually help you a lot, One of the main reasons that I tell you this thing, it is because that few days ago, I was watching on TikTok and Facebook and YouTube, they were speaking about this series, Falcon and the Winter Soldier, a Marvel series, I watch it all the time, I watch it all the time. There is one beautiful girl in that movie, Sharon Carter, yeah. Okay, in this show, now there is this show where there is new character, his name is John Walker, it is the new Captain America, Later he's going to become US agent in the comics, and he's different from Captain America because this guy is much more brutal and he can kill people. He kill people for not, how can I say, positive reasons, okay? Not for positive reasons, okay? Yeah. So now on these shows, people commenting about it all the time, On TikTok, people commenting. On YouTube, people commenting. On Facebook, people commenting, And what I notice is that on those channels where people are commenting, there is a lot of views. A lot of views, One of the main reasons why this is happening, it is because the series is happening right now, It's happening right now and people are commenting right now, So if you have a channel, if you can help your customer with a problem that you think they are having right now, then you should do it, buddy. You should do it. Click, maybe a political problem, maybe a country problem, maybe a TV problem, maybe a series or something else. You should take a look, comment about it, first study about it, comment about it, give the solution, ask questions or anything else. It's gonna increase your views on your channel big time. Just do that. People, they are speaking right now, they're speaking about Marvel Comics, the next Marvel Comics, a lot of things. When is gonna come the next Spider-Man movie, all this kind of stuff, Speak about things that are happening right now, okay, buddy? Do these things. Like, for example, There is also a channel, people, they are teaching people how to make money, for example, on TikTok, check about it, buddy. Check about it, Or sometimes channels where people are asking people, like for example, when Messi came, that thing on television that they said that Messi was about to receive almost $1 billion. Oh my God. There was comments on everywhere, every channel, every YouTube channel they were speaking about it. Every TikTok channel, every channel, So the thing is that when a problem is happening right now, you should comment about it, You should figure it out what is happening, and then you should go in and then check, make your investigation. First, you need to study, because your customer, how can I say, he wants the answer of his problem, Don't just go around and speak. No, speak, study, speak about it, come up with the solution, give it to your customer, This is how you're gonna make a lot of money on YouTube or TikTok or Facebook, You gotta study about it, okay? Okay, buddies, write your comments below, subscribe to my channel, and check the link below so that you can learn how to make money online in a very awesome way. And subscribe and share this video, share this video, because this is a new channel and I need to grow this channel, and ask questions. Tell me what kind of videos you want me to make, or what type of problems do you have, so that I can help you with your problems and all this kind of stuff, okay? And one more thing, how can I say? Always respect your wife, respect your family, and respect your training. Okay, buddies? I'll see you next video, buddy. Ciao.